Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to talk about, should I fix or repair my range? Well, that's a question that has a couple different variations of the answer. One is, are the parts going to be available? Okay, what I mean by parts are, yes, with the situation right now, a lot of parts are backing up. They're not coming in as fast as they should. Now, your normal everyday parts, let's say your knobs, okay, your handles, things like that that are a little more common, those are probably more readily available. Now, if you're talking the whole top here is bad, or the glass is bad, that's a little more of a, higher end item, which is probably may or may not come in, may or may not be there. So it's something to think about when you're talking about. Plus, this is, a couple, $200, $300, $400. So something like this, you can go get. You don't want necessarily me come out to bring you a knob. It's kind of a waste of money, but you can get that at your local parts store. But something like this, you may want to have it priced out. Get a technician out, pay the, diagnostic fee. Is going, okay, yeah, for me to get this right, it's going to cost you $675, okay, or $450, whatever it is. Compare that to the price of a new one, okay, and see how close you are. My philosophy is, if you like it, fix it. If you don't, get something new. Because what happens is, if you never liked the way this worked, I come out to your house and I fix it, well, it's going to work exactly like it's supposed to, which you're not happy with. At that point, you've wasted money. If you love this thing, it does everything wonderfully, then spend the money and get it fixed, okay? Now, if you look over here, we have a little bit lower end of a model, and stuff like this, you can fix these. You don't need me to come out and fix these for you unless you want me to. But like I said, it's just, what are you up for and what are you on the way for? Pretty much everything on this is not very high tech. It's pretty basic, which means there's probably going to be a lot more parts available for it at a much faster pace. But when you come back over to this, okay, we've got electronic boards. These are not cheap, okay, and they're probably going to be a little bit longer to get. So if this goes out, you may want to think about replacing as opposed to fixing it. Something smaller, fix it yourself or give it a shot. If not, give someone like me a call. We'll come out, we'll give you a price on it, and then you can compare what it's going to cost to fix it versus what it's going to cost to replace it, and how long are the parts going to be. They may be 3 days, they may be a month and a half. I've been waiting 4 months for one part, so you do the math. Thank you for watching, tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and come back next week for some more good information. Have a good day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.